Today we are going to discuss surface areas and volume. It is a section D. It is a 4-mark sum. It's a little bit lengthy and tricky calculations we are going to get. So let us proceed. As I told you always R1 is greater than R2. This is R1 and this is R2. So let us write the given things. So bucket in the form of the frustum of a cone, capacity is given, volume is given. Volume is equal to centimeter cube. The radii of the top and bottom circular ends R1 is equal to 20 centimeter. R2 is equal to 12 centimeter. And find the height of the bucket and area of the metal sheet used for making the bucket. And keep in your mind pi value it is given 3.14 because some sums we used to write 22/7. Some sums they have given the pi value that you have to check it out. To find height of the bucket and area of the metal sheet. Area of the metal sheet is required for making the bucket. So let us go to the solution. First we need to find the height. So volume of the bucket is equal to it is given 12308.8 centimeter cube. So volume of the bucket, what is the formula? R1 R2 which is equal to 12308.8 centimeter cube. Now 1/3 when it goes that side 3/1. That let us see now. Okay, so let us first substitute 1/3 into pi value 3.14. Height we need to find R1. So keep in your mind after carrying the values, check it out whether R1 is greater or R1 is greater than R2 or not. Then you can go for the calculation because keep in your mind always R1 is greater than R2. So R1 square it is 20 square plus R2 that is 12 square. 12 square. Plus R1 20 into 12 is equal to 8.8 centimeter cube. This is 3.14, it will go down. Now only h into this value 20 square 400 plus 12 square 144 plus 2 into 12 24 10 240. So we are getting 784. The same value 12308.8 into 3 by 3.14. So now this also will bring it to that side. Now h is equal to 12308.8 into 3 by 3.14. What I will do is 314/100, that 100 I will write here. into 784. 700 and it is 84. It is not 78 point, it is 784. 784. That I have written here. Left hand side only h is there. So now we'll go for the cancellation. So 2 times. So we'll go for 2 times. (6154.4). So that again will go for, will divide directly. These two will divide directly because it is a prime number. (6154.4). (6154.4). So 157 is there. 157. So we'll go for 4 times, means 4 into 4 15s are 600, and 28, 628 will come for 4 times. So let us go for 3 times. This 4 will bring it down. So we are carrying, we are crossing the decimal place. So let us put point. Now you see it will go for 2 times. So 0. So this will go for 1 time. This will go for 39.2 times. So now, so let us write the remaining things. 39.2 into 3 into 100 by 784. Now what we'll do is, to correcting one decimal place, 10 will give it to this decimal place. So it will become 392 into 3 into 100, it will become 10, because 10 I have given for this decimal place. It will become 784. Now you see exactly it will go for 1 time, it will go for 2 times. 1 time 5 times. So 3 into 5 15 is equal to 15 centimeter is the height of the frustum. 15 centimeter is the height of the bucket. So the first part is over. Now we need to find the area of the metal sheet. The area of the metal sheet required. So for the space concern, I can use this space for the area of the metal sheet. Now area of the metal sheet. Area of the sheet is equal to CSA of the bucket plus base area, no? CSA plus base area, no? So CSA plus base area. So CSA is equal to pi R1 plus R2 into L plus pi R2 square. Because why? Because the base radius is R2. So which is equal to, so pi value is 3.14 into R1 20 plus R2, it is 12 into L. You see here L is not given. Again L is not given. So we need to go for the L calculation. L calculations. So let us go for the L calculation. So L is equal to L square equal to R1 minus R2 the whole square plus H square. So R1 minus R2, R1 minus R2 the whole square plus H square. So R1 is equal to 20 minus R2, it is 12 that whole square plus H. So that we have got 15 square is equal to 20 minus 12 8 square plus 15 square 225. It is 64 plus 225, which is equal to 289, that is L square. So L is equal to square root 2 is 89, it is the square root of 17. So I mean 17 square equal to 289, square root 289 is equal to 17 centimeters. So L is equal to 17 centimeter, that L will substitute here, plus again pi value 3.14 into R2. R2 is 12, 12 square is 144, 144. So now what we do is again 3.14 will take it outside common, 3.14 will take it common outside, 20 plus 12 it is 32, 32 into 17 plus 3.14 will taken out 144 is equal to 3.14 into 32 into 17. So we will get 544 plus 144. .14 into 688. So now we need to multiply these both. Which is equal to 2160.32 centimeter square. So for 3.14, 2 decimal place will give it to this. So that is the area of the metal sheet required. So let us write the final answer. Therefore, the height of the bucket is equal to 15 centimeter, and therefore the area of the metal sheet, required is equal to 2160.32 centimeter square. To 160.32 centimeter square. See, such a lengthy sum. All the best. Thank you.